Well, y'all read the title right. This is going to be my last Nordstrom Trunk Club unboxing. Not because this is my own choice, but because Trunk Club is closing. I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to read a little bit more about the closing, but this is officially my last box. Just a reminder, if you have any credits, referral credits in your account, to go ahead and either get another Trunk Club before the end of May, or you can actually redeem your credits for a Nordstrom Trunk Club gift card. But before I turn my credits into a gift card, I did want to do one final unboxing, review, and try on. So let's go ahead and do it. This is definitely a summer themed box. A lot of dresses and some things out of my comfort zone. So let's just go ahead and get right into my last Trunk Club unboxing. So here's how everything came. Trunk Club has always done a great job with packaging everything up very nicely. I do have a lot. I have like, I think 10 things to try on. A lot of dresses, and also I have a new couch, as you can see behind me, and it opened up a lot more space in my living room. So hopefully these try-on videos in the future for other style boxes will be better. I'm just gonna do this real quick. I'm just gonna try on each piece, and then while I have the outfit on, I'll tell you the name of each piece and also the price. And as always, I am going to write everything in my description box down below. So if you fall in love with something, you can find it. Just go into Google or on Nordstrom's website and you can purchase it for yourself. All right, let's try on this stuff. All right, I moved my camera down so you could see these. These are the Madewell High Rise Perfect Vintage Jean. These are so cute, you guys. There's so much gapping in the back, I can't even show you, so let's just move on. Okay, y'all, these are the Madewell Garment Dyed Pull-On Utility Shorts. 60 bucks. I just don't think these look good on my body. For example, like when I walk, this keeps like pulling up. I think maybe it's just because I'm a little too curvy, because it keeps doing this and I have all this fabric. So I don't know. Yeah, all this extra fabric here, it's just not very flattering. I keep finding myself pulling it down, so I think these are a no. All right, let's talk about this orange top I've been wearing. This is Naked Wardrobe French Terry Crop Hoodie for $24. So I think originally when they sent me my trunk preview, this was like $60. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if it was $60, I probably would not have purchased this because the quality's not like amazing, you know, it's not worth that. But for $25, yeah. Orange is my favorite color. I love like anything cropped. This has a super stretchy band, perfect for the buffets. Yeah, just overall, I love it. Yeah, like I said, orange is my favorite color, so I knew I was gonna like this one. All right, this is a Reformation 11 ruffle sleeve top, $76. It's giving me very like blue willow vibes. That's the vibes I'm getting. Not really crazy about it, so probably gonna pass. Is this Guess Mina ruched wrap top, $69. $69 is a little high. I do think it's cute. It's really low cut, but I don't know. I think I could get behind this one. This is a color that I really like to wear, and it kind of looks cute, you know, kind of looks cute with the shorts. So I don't know, maybe we made an outfit. A lot of y'all know I don't own like a tank top. This is a Skims Fits Everybody square neck bodysuit, $58. I think this is really figure flattering, so I think I'm gonna get it. I like where it hits me on my chest. This is probably something I should wear underneath some of those other tops. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay, so the first dress, I really love the colors. It is a Farm Rio dress. So you already know Farm Rio is so expensive. It's $165. You guys know I'm not crazy about like the sleeveless look, so I don't see myself reaching for this often enough to justify that price point. It does have these really pointy shoulders, which are pretty cool. I do love the colors. I think they match my skin tone great. This kind of look here, I feel like it may be making me look a little bit bigger. I do like more fitted things, especially from the side. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think this would be a fun cruise dress, but just not something I want to pay $165 for right now. All right, this next dress is Reformation Baldwin Floral Print Mini Dress for $178. I have a lot of issues with this. It's extremely low cut, as you can see. It's just too tight on me, so it's gonna be a no for me. All right, this one is the Bardo Lida long sleeve dress, $119. I actually love the dress if it wasn't so low cut, and you can see these shoulders, they're just not staying up. I've told y'all before, I'm someone with really narrow shoulders, so these elastic things just don't cut it a lot of the times, as you can see. I do love the style of this dress. It is just a cute, like A-line kind of fit and flare dress. I think it's super adorable. This dress had a lot of potential, but it's just not the one, so we're gonna keep trying. So unfortunately, this Reformation dress that they sent me, it has no stretch, and whenever I get it to my hip area, it gets a little tight, and honestly, I'm just scared to break the zipper. It's a really cute dress, but like I said, no stretch, so yeah, really cute. I wish that it fit me, but gonna have to pass on that. Okay, so this dress I'm wearing, it's really nice. This is by Naked Wardrobe. It's the Got You in a Bind long sleeve mini dress for $64. I actually just bought a black mini dress. Well, I guess it's not really a mini dress. It was more like midi length. I got it at a thrift store bag sale for like 50 cents, less than 50 cents really when you add it all up. And I really liked it. I've already wore it. So this is a really tight fitting dress, which you guys know I do like those the best, but I already have one just like it. So I am gonna pass, but I do think this is a really cute dress. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna stop my style boxes. I have a Stitch Fix and a short story style box that will be uploaded in the next week, so stay on the lookout for those. I appreciate everyone who watched my Trunk Club videos, and I will see y'all soon for a short story or Stitch Fix unboxing. Bye y'all.